Hey everyone, it's Wanda here, and let's be real, who hasn't dreamt of waking up, grabbing their phone, and seeing money from their online store rolling in? Yeah, that's the dream. And the good news is, it's totally achievable. Whether you're a creative soul, a born organizer, or just someone who loves the idea of being your own boss, e-commerce opens up a world of possibilities. We're talking about turning your passion into profit, all from the comfort of, well, wherever you want to work. Now you might be thinking, Wanda, I have no idea where to even begin with selling stuff online. And honestly, I get it. But fear not, my friend, because I've got your back. In this video, we're diving headfirst into 5 awesome ways to make money online. We'll break down each method, talk about the pros and cons, and I'll even throw in some real-world examples to get those entrepreneurial juices flowing. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this e-commerce party started. First up, let's talk about dropshipping. Imagine this. You list a cool product on your online store. Someone buys it, you get the money, and then, boom, a third-party supplier ships that product directly to your customer. You never even touched the inventory. Pretty sweet, right? That's dropshipping in a nutshell. It's like being the middleman without dealing with all the middleman stuff. No more packing boxes in your basement or worrying about stock. The beauty of dropshipping is selling the idea and the brand, not the physical product. Find a niche, create a killer website, and partner with reliable suppliers. It's like having a silent business partner who does all the heavy lifting. Now you're probably wondering, how much money can I make with dropshipping? Well, the sky's the limit. Some dropshippers make $500 to $1,000 a month as a side hustle, while others turn it into a full-time gig, earning $10,000 or more each month. It all depends on your niche, marketing skills, and hustle. Ready to dip your toes into dropshipping? Awesome! Let's talk about how to get started. First, you'll need a platform to build your online store. Think of it as your virtual storefront. 2 popular options are Shopify and WooCommerce. Shopify is like the Apple of e-commerce platforms, user-friendly and sleek. WooCommerce offers more customization but requires more tech savviness. Once your store is up, find your perfect product match. Apps like Oberlo and Spocket are your new best friends. They offer catalogs of products from various suppliers, allowing easy import and price setting. Remember, finding the right niche is key. Don't just pick something random. Think about your interests and what problems you can solve for customers. Let's talk about the pros and cons of dropshipping. Dropshipping is the ultimate low-risk business model. You can test different products and niches without breaking the bank. Plus, it's scalable. As your business grows, you can add more products and suppliers easily. And you can run your dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection. Now for the cons, dropshipping can be competitive. You'll need to stand out from the crowd. Relying on third-party suppliers means less control over shipping and customer service. So, is dropshipping right for you? If you have limited capital and like a hands-off approach, dropshipping might be your perfect match. All right, let's move on to something that really lets your creativity shine. Print on demand. This e-commerce model is all about selling unique, custom-designed products without having to, you guessed it, deal with any inventory yourself. We're talking about designing everything from trendy t-shirts and statement mugs to quirky tote bags and phone cases. The possibilities are literally endless. Here's how it works. You create awesome designs using tools like Canva or Photoshop, or even hire a freelance designer if that's more your jam. Then, you partner up with a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Teespring. These platforms are your behind-the-scenes heroes, handling all the printing, production, and shipping directly to your customers. Think of it as having your very own merch empire without needing a warehouse full of products. And the best part? You only pay for the product when a customer places an order. No more buying in bulk and hoping for the best. Now that you know the basics, let's get those creative juices flowing. Designing for print on demand is all about finding your niche and creating products that people will actually want to buy. Think about your target audience, what they're passionate about, and what kind of designs would resonate with them. Are you into pop culture? Design hilarious movie quotes or iconic characters on t-shirts. Love all things motivational? Create inspiring mugs and wall art with uplifting messages. The key is to tap into your own interests and passions. Trust me, it'll make the design process so much more fun. Once you have a solid understanding of your niche, it's time to start sketching out those design ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, fonts, and colors. Canva is a fantastic and free tool for beginners, offering tons of templates and design elements to get you started. And if you're feeling extra fancy, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are industry-standard software programs that give you more creative control and flexibility. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers here. Have fun, let your creativity run wild, and don't be afraid to make it your own. So you've got your designs ready to go? Awesome! Now it's time to choose the right platform to sell your print-on-demand creations. Printful and Teespring are two popular options that integrate seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms, making it super easy to connect your designs to your online store. Printful offers a wide range of products, from apparel and home decor to accessories and stationery, while Teespring focuses mainly on apparel and accessories. Both platforms have their pros and cons, so it's worth doing your research to see which one aligns best with your needs and product offerings. Now, let's talk pricing. One of the great things about print on demand is that you have complete control over your profit margins. You set the selling price for your products, and the difference between that price and the base cost from the platform is your profit. While the profit per item might seem small at first, think $5 to $15 on average, the beauty is in the volume. As you grow your brand, expand your product line, and drive more traffic to your store, those small profits can quickly add up to a substantial income stream. Okay, you guys, are you ready for this? Let's talk about selling handmade or custom products online. This is where your creativity can really shine, and you get to connect with customers on a whole other level. Think Etsy, but also beyond. First things first, what are you passionate about making? Could be jewelry, candles, art prints, woven wall hangings, literally anything. The beauty of handmade is that it's all about you. That one-of-a-kind vibe is what gets people hooked. Now, setting up shop is easier than ever. Etsy is obviously a classic for handmade goods, but don't sleep on Amazon Handmade either. And hey, having your own website? Total pro move. But here's the real secret sauce: amazing product photography. We're talking drool-worthy shots that make people want to reach through the screen and grab your creations. Good lighting is everything, guys. One of the coolest things about selling handmade is that it can start as a side hustle and blossom into a full-blown business. I've met so many creators who started small, like selling at local craft fairs. Then bam, their online shops exploded. And the income potential? No joke. We're talking anywhere from a couple $100 a month to legit 5 figures or more. It all depends on your niche, how much you hustle, and how much people are vibing with your products. But here's the thing. Don't underestimate the power of social media, you guys. Instagram, TikTok, even Pinterest can be your best friend for getting your products seen. Beautiful photos, engaging stories, behind-the-scenes peeks. That's how you build a loyal following. And never, ever underestimate the power of good customer service. Being responsive, friendly, and going the extra mile with packaging, it makes a huge difference in building a brand people love. Okay, let's get real for a sec. Pricing your handmade goods can be tricky. You're pouring your heart and soul into each piece, so putting a price tag on it can feel kind of weird, right? But here's the deal. Your time, your skills, your creativity, they're all valuable. Factor in the cost of materials, of course, but don't forget to value your time. There are tons of resources online to help you calculate a fair hourly rate for your work. And remember, this isn't a race to the bottom. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth, even if it's a bit higher than the competition. People are willing to pay a premium for quality handmade goods, especially if they connect with your story and your brand. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash that inner creative beast, get your hands dirty, and let's make some magic happen in the world of handmade e-commerce. All right, digital products. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about selling stuff that exists purely online. No shipping, no inventory, just pure digital goodness. Think ebooks, design templates, stock photos, online courses. The possibilities are seriously endless. What I love about digital products is the insane potential for passive income. You create the product once and it can generate sales for months, even years down the line. It's like printing money while you sleep. Okay, maybe not money, but you get the idea. See, that could be you sipping mojitos on a beach somewhere, all thanks to the power of digital products. But seriously, this is a game changer for anyone who wants to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and be their own boss. If you're creative, organized, or have valuable knowledge to share, this could be your golden ticket. And the best part? Getting started is way easier than you might think. So what kind of digital products can you create? Let's brainstorm. Are you a whiz with words? Write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about. Good at photography? Sell your stunning shots as stock photos. Got a knack for organization? Design printable planners or templates. And hey, if you've got serious knowledge to drop, creating an online course is where it's at. Teach people how to code, bake sourdough bread, master the art of photography, whatever your jam is. The internet is your oyster, people. The beauty of digital products is that they can be as simple or as complex as you want. Start small with a basic printable, or go all in with a comprehensive online course. The choice is yours. Now, once you've poured your heart and soul into creating your digital masterpiece, it's time to get it out there into the world. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website are excellent places to showcase your digital wares. And trust me, there's a hungry audience out there just waiting to discover your unique creations. Getting the word out about your digital products is key, and thankfully, there are tons of ways to do it without breaking the bank. Social media is your best friend here. Create engaging content that showcases the value of your products. Think eye-catching visuals, snappy captions, and maybe even a cheeky behind-the-scenes peek at your process. SEO, or search engine optimization, is another powerful tool in your arsenal. By using the right keywords in your product descriptions and website copy, you can make sure your products pop up when people are searching for stuff like yours. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing either. Build an email list and keep your subscribers in the loop about new product launches, special promotions, and all that good stuff. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort, but the rewards are so worth it. So get out there, create awesome digital products, and watch the passive income roll in. Okay, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This one's for all my hustlers who love connecting people with awesome products. Basically, you partner with a brand, promote their products to your audience, and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. It's like being that friend who always knows about the coolest stuff and gets a little bonus for sharing the love. The best part? You don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or any of that logistical headache. You're purely focused on what you do best, creating killer content and connecting with your audience. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, social media maven, or just love shouting about your favorite products from the rooftops, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to online income. Think about it. What products are you genuinely passionate about? What problems do your followers need solutions for? Finding that sweet spot between your interests and your audience's needs is where the magic happens. Now, let's dive into finding the right affiliate programs for you. Amazon Associates is a great starting point. They have a massive selection of products, and let's be real, who doesn't love a little Amazon shopping spree? But don't limit yourself to just one platform. There are tons of affiliate networks out there like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Impact Radius that connect you with brands in various niches. When choosing affiliate programs, it's crucial to believe in the products you're promoting. Authenticity is key here, people. If you wouldn't recommend a product to your best friend, don't recommend it to your followers. Remember, building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success in the affiliate marketing game. Okay, you've found your dream affiliate programs. Now it's time to spread the word. Integrate your affiliate links organically into your content. Don't just shove them down people's throats. Write honest reviews, create helpful tutorials, or share how those products have made your life better. Transparency is key. Be upfront about your affiliate relationships. Your audience will appreciate your honesty. Experiment with different platforms and content formats. Blog posts, YouTube videos, Instagram stories, Pinterest boards. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget to track your results. See which products resonate most with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay creative, and most importantly, stay true to yourself and your audience. And there you have it. 5 awesome ways to dive into the world of e-commerce and start making money online. We covered dropshipping for the inventory-free entrepreneurs, print on demand for the design mavens, handmade products for the crafty souls, digital products for the passive income seekers, and affiliate marketing for the connection creators. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone ready to start their e-commerce journey. Let's make 2025 your year of online success.